The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, three little pigs lived with their mother. One day, their mother told them to build their own houses. The first pig built a house of straw. The second pig built a house of sticks. The third pig built a house of bricks. A big bad wolf came. He said,
I will huff and puff and blow your house down.
He blew down the straw house. He blew down the stick house. But he could not blow down the brick house. The third pig was very clever. The wolf ran away. The three pigs lived happily. Moral of the story is: hard work and planning keep us safe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.